Hi, this is Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We're here with Steven here. This is an interesting patient today. He has history of neck pain and low back pain. He found us on YouTube. So these videos that we've been recording here for the past 6 months have been working out. Patients are seeing us, seeing what kind of work we do, interested in our care, and he found us on YouTube. Currently, he's driving from DC. So we're in Manassas, Virginia. We're about 45-minute travel away with traffic, maybe 3 hours away, depending on what type of day you're traveling. So he doesn't mind the drive. He used to have a chiropractor in Columbus, Ohio. He would fly back twice a year to the chiropractor because of the technique that he was looking for. He's looking for that adjustment that he feels is quality for him. So like I said, with him, he saw us on YouTube, saw us online. We must have triggered a nerve with him, and he's here. So can you tell us a little bit about what intrigued you about the videos?
Well, what intrigued me about the videos was the fact that you're actually doing manipulation and actually changing and moving some of the pieces, parts around that need to be changed. Since I lost my chiropractor in Ohio, I needed to find one. I've gone to a couple and I really wasn't happy. When I saw your YouTube videos, I thought, here's a guy that actually understands how to do the actual manipulations and gets me back into the place I need to be. And I miss my chiropractor, but you know, he's no longer alive, so I needed to find a new one, and this was going to be nice to do.
Here we are. Perfect. So what we'll do today is we're going to go ahead and pop it a little bit. We've already done some palpation on his neck. We found a couple of trigger points right in the upper to mid cervicals on the right side, a little bit right here on the left. We also have some low back trigger points that we found. We found some rotated pelvis. We found a short right leg. So we're going to get in here and do some chiropractic manipulation for this today, okay? So let's start right here, Jason, if you can set up right here for recording. Let me have you just scoot just a tad forward on the chair.
On the chair.
Push your body up on the chair right there, a little bit more. And then just lean your upper body right back right here for me, okay? We're going to start right in here. Palpate just a tad here. Relax here for me. Relax your body. Very good. Okay. Relax your body side for me. I want you to lean your head back into me. Right there. I want you to relax your body. Relax your... Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face down right on this table here. All right. We're going to try to get some palpatory movement in the cervical thoracic region with a different technique that we're using here. We're going to use a prone technique here. We're going to try to get some movement up in here. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Some movement right in here. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Good. You okay?
Yep.
All right. Very good.
That was tight.
Okay. These muscles are tight. I'm going to use a little bit of lotion before I get in here and adjust. I'll set it up right over here. Sorry about that, Jason. Okay. So we have some tight muscles in here. A lot of the tightness that we're dealing with right now. This is his first time here. Hasn't been adjusted in a little bit. And some of these muscles are really restricting movement in here. We did get some good movement on our initial impact, our initial adjustment here in the upper thoracic region. Okay, I'm going to try something here. I want you to take a deep breath in for me. Completely exhale for me. There we go. Good stuff there. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Feel that movement in that transition segment?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. We'll have your top leg bent right here for me. Relax right here. We're going to bring this arm right over here. Right there. Right over here. Okay, I want you to relax here for me. Take a deep breath in for me. And completely exhale. Very good. Let's have you lay facing the opposite way for me. All right, same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. We'll set you up right in here. Good. Okay. Relax here for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. All right. You're set.